We are going to make a wicked chili. We've got our beautiful Australian ground beef and
we have balsamic vinegar,
onion,
cinnamon,
brown sugar,
cumin,
barbecue sauce,
tomato paste,
salt,
pepper,
and garlic.
so what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop these onions. A little bit of onion. We've got all of our ingredients chopped up. Now we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna put all of them together. We're going to let it simmer for a very long time, which is what makes really good chili. You have to cook it nice and slow. Olive oil. We're gonna add the cumin. All of our onions at the bottom of our pan. Can I have a small spoon, Squish?
There you go, this is very small.
That's what I get when I ask for a small spoon. A little bit of garlic. Salt. Black pepper. We're gonna add fresh green pepper to our onions and our ground beef that are browning. We'll give that a good stir. So we're gonna add balsamic vinegar to deglaze the pan. You could actually use Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce it, but we're gonna use balsamic vinegar for sweetness. A little bit of dark brown sugar. Our homemade barbecue sauce. We're gonna give those a stir. Our tomato base. And we're not actually gonna spice until the end because you want this to reduce down. If you add the spice now, by the time it's reduced, the flavors will actually be stronger. So if you salt now, it'll be too salty. So we'll actually salt and pepper at the end. So our chili's been simmering for a little over an hour. We're gonna add our beans. And the reason we didn't add them earlier is because we don't want them to be mushy. If you're making the beans from scratch and you've boiled them, you could do that in the chili, but since our beans are pre-boiled, we're adding them at the end. That's what we're gonna do. Ready? And then we're gonna give that a nice stir to get all the beans in there. Oh my gosh. Add our salt and pepper to taste. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to put our chili in a nice bowl. Hannah, you are the master sour cream putter. I want you to put a dollop of sour cream. That's a good dollop. Right in the middle, right in the middle. Tammy, put the cheddar cheese on there. Oh my gosh, so good. We're gonna garnish with fresh coriander. Isn't that fantastic? This is how you make chili!